My truck! Oh my gosh, it's my truck! Do you know what this is? Loud engine. Can't make audios over here. The dogs are annoying. Oh, that's a great one. My truck's coming over here. Hey Keith, do you know Jose? Do you know Jose?
Yeah.
Why is he driving Lee's truck lately? What happened to Lee?
Lee's in the yard right now.
Oh, is he still able to drive his truck still?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's in the yard today.
Oh, okay. Because today I saw him this morning. It was Jose in the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on full brake.
Okay.
Can you back up a bit so I can back up sound? All right. My truck's back up sound. Why is the rear back sound quiet a little bit? Bye, kid!